first online meetup for Cardano Builder Asia Network. Today is the 27th of February, and great to see all of the participant here. So today we are covering the introduction of Cardano Builder Network Asia. What is it, and what can Cardano Builder Network Asia offer? The overview and our upcoming events, upcoming workshops, and mentorship program. So to kickstart with this, let's all of us to introduce ourselves. So I will pass the time to Jingles from Mesh. Yeah, Jingle, there you go. Self-introduction.
Hey, hi. Yeah, you can call me Jingles.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I saw there's
check.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, you can call me Jingles. Yeah. I built with a bunch of people. Like we built Mesh SDK. It's the TypeScript SDK to build Cardano apps. So yeah. Next, who's that? Is it Kinson or?
Yes, that's me actually. So I'm from Cdan Lab. I'm one of the co-founders in Cdan Lab, and there are 5 of us. And for what Cdan Lab is doing, we have 2 things ongoing. So 3 things actually. One thing is we are actually developing the DeFi product side, and another thing is we are developing open source toolings and libraries for Rust as well, for Mesh as well. And then the third thing is we are organizing Cardano Hong Kong community to engage with, to onboard and engage with startups, entrepreneurs, and also developers to get them into Cardano. So yeah, and that's pretty much from my side. So Tai Chi-san from Socius, you could introduce yourself to the
Yes, thank you. So I'm going to the Japanese. はい。はい、皆さん、こんばんは。ソーシャスの太一と申します。ソーシャスはブロックチェーンを活用したソーシャルインパクトの促進に取り組んでいます。また、日本のカルダンコミュニティの一員として、私はエコシステム発展にも貢献しています。カルダノはですね、単なるブロックチェーンではなく、より持続可能で分散化された未来を築くための大切な基盤です。私自身もステークプールの運営やガバナンス活動を通じて、日本国内外のビルダーやコミュニティと連携しながら、このエコシステムの成長に力を注いでいます。今回のカルダのビルダーアジアオンラインミートアップは、アジアのビルダーがつながり、協力し、新たな機会を作る場となっています。私も日本の視点からカルダのエコシステムをどのように拡大できるか、皆様と意見交換できればと思っております。はい、本日はどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。
よろしくお願いします。So thank you, Taichi-san, for the introduction. And last but not least, Han, maybe it's your turn to do a self-introduction and let people know more about you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ha. I represent Cardano Builder Vietnam, to join with member from Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore to grow the Cardano Builder Asia community. Xin chào tất cả mọi người. Chắc là cả những anh chị em Việt Nam mình thì cũng đã biết tới Hà rồi ha. Hà cũng hôm nay Hà xin phép là đại diện cho cộng đồng Cardano Việt Nam, Cardano Builder Việt Nam, chúng ta tham gia cùng với các cái thành viên từ Nhật Bản, Hồng Kông, Singapore để mình cùng nhau mình cống hiến và mình làm phát triển cộng đồng Cardano Builder ASEAN. Rất mong nhận được sự giúp đỡ của tất cả mọi người.
Thank you so much, Ha. So yeah, so here's the summary of all of us. And so let's go to the next one. So what is Cardano Builder Network Asia? First of all, let's talk about why. It's because we want to build a strong developer community supporting the Asia regions. Because we found that actually the Cardano exposure in Asia is pretty low comparing to other ecosystems. So that's why we want to find more talents to onboard them to Cardano. We want to onboard new developers. We want to make sure that unified and coordinate efforts and projects, because we don't want to see builders building the same thing over and over again. So for the members who join the Builder Network Asia, there will be a lot of resources for you to use and guidance for you to follow. Therefore, you don't need to repeat the same mistake that we made before. And last but not least, we want to do this in cross countries. For example, we are in Hong Kong, Mesh is in Singapore, and Cardano Vietnam is definitely in Vietnam, and Socials in Japan. Therefore, we support multi-languages as well. So even if you don't know how to speak in English, there will be a local contributors here supporting you all the way. So what could we offer? There are three perspectives. The first one, definitely the developers and builders. We will offer you the access to open source tools and developer materials. For example, Mesh, they got a really great library for you to use to build some transactions as well. For Sedan Lab, we got a Rust library available as well for people to learn and know how to use it. And there will be workshops coming forward. Two online, we'll mention a bit more details later on, but overall, there's workshops and there will be mentors here for you to support you. The second part would be the entrepreneurs and project founders, because a lot of people want to explore the industry. Therefore, for our builder network, we could offer some resources and advice on how to integrate your business, your enterprise with Cardano blockchain technology. Also, it is a great opportunity for any entrepreneurs to meet with each other and see how to collaborate. Last but not least, for any individuals, if you are thinking to do a startup or you just want to explore around, you're thinking about should you become the builder in Cardano or even in the blockchain space, it's a great platform for you to get started with because we have a lot of 0 to 1 guides from user perspective, from developer perspective, and then you could have a taste on everything and then you can further make decision or maybe take part in some of the open source project contribution as well. So coming forward, there will be three things. First thing, 2 online workshops. We will provide hands-on guidance on how to build your first step on Cardano. There will be 2 more meetups, offline meetups, in-person meetups coming forward. During the offline meetups, you can talk to each other, the community members as well, to tackle some technical questions as well. And we will definitely answer all the questions that you raised during the offline meetup. And last but not least, the mentorship program. We will pair all of the members with our mentors. For example, if you are a Vietnamese and you want to solve some developer problems or some bugs, even some use case questions, then Har will definitely help you to connect to the right people in locals as well, or even cross countries as well. So basically, we will tailor make the program for each individual's members. There is a link that we will share later on. It's a calendar schedule. So if anyone of you would like to ask any questions, you can book a session in the schedule and our core team members will be there to answer all the questions. So there are lots of things going. The details we will release very soon. We are structuring the program for everyone. And as you can see, there's a Discord link, Twitter link, and also our website is here. Remember to follow our Twitter, Discord, and website to stay tuned. So I think that's pretty much. And Jingles, you could show us the website, maybe have a quick overview of how it does it look like and where people could click the buttons. Yeah.
You're muted, Chingus.
Yeah, too long never use a Zoom. Yeah. Anyway, this is the website. Someone can share the link on the chat so that you guys can click it and share it as well. As what Kinsan has shared, here is all the description for like why this is nice initiative to grow the community. It's quite a full package. It's for anyone because as long as you have a little bit of basic programming knowledge is good enough. Just a little bit will go. You don't need blockchain experience, so you can call your friends at universities and onboard this kind of curriculum. And our learning plan includes on-chain and off-chain. So you can basically write apps, and we very focused on hands-on stuff right away on first day. Not so much on theory because you learn theory while you're working on it. And how there will be online like this, offline as well. There will be workshops where you can talk to people, real people on the ground, ask them questions. There will be mentorship program and also work opportunities. Yeah, so this is some kind of relationship building with the industry players we can link up with. So that's nice. If you are keen, definitely come check it out the schedule. We're gonna put things here. Here are some of the online programs that you can join right now. It's gonna be more populated in the next few months. So yeah, that's all.
Yep, thank you, Jingles. So I think that's pretty much for everything. So just before we go, want to see anyone in the participants list want to ask any questions? Okay, cool. I guess that's pretty much. Yeah, even if you cannot, that you don't have any questions, so feel free to just follow our Twitter and Discord and raise it there. We are there all the time, pretty much. So I think this is the end of this introduction call. So, thank you everyone to be here, and it's great to see this kickstart. So yeah, let's onboard developers and make Cardano build Asia great. Felix.
One question, it's the same team which also organizes the Cardano Builder Fest in Asia this year, right? So is this also an initiative of the Builder Asia community, I assume?
Yes, that's correct. So basically, we four of us, Sinan Lab, Mesh, Cardano Vietnam, and Socials are the core organizer team for this year Builder Fest. In case if any of you haven't registered, you can go visit the website. However, right now it's all in the interest list because the registration is going on heat. Everyone is like sending us emails, like, oh, are there any space left and stuff. So but still, like, if anyone are interested in it, please do sign up, because again, Cardano Builder Fest is very different. It is not a usual, like, it's not like a Token 2049, this kind of generic big event. It is very tailor-made for developers in Cardano. Basically, you will know, you can learn a lot from the workshops there, and the builders there will showcase you what they are building, what they want to solve, and you could definitely have a good taste and see how you could contribute and collaborate with the builders as well. So remember to check out Builder Fest website. We will also post the Builder Fest website and the link in our Twitter, Discord, and Telegram channel as well. Yeah, see any other core members want to supplement if I miss anything. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. So yeah, so happy to see everyone here. So yeah, I think that's pretty much. Thank you so much, everyone, and hope to see all of you soon again.